So if you go to serviceportal.benq.com, that's your login for BenQ. Log in using your credentials. It's the same credentials you use to log into your board, your actual BenQ board. And if you go to AMS, this gives you all of your settings. So when you go to your personal settings, you can do things like set a snazzy wallpaper. You can change your auto logout time. You can pin apps to your screen, like your desktop, essentially you're setting up. This is where you link your Google Drive cloud storage, but this is also where you can click edit and set your personal bookmarks. And next I'll show you where to find those bookmarks on your BenQ board when you log in. All right, so if you're logged into your BenQ board, you can actually click on your apps and you will have a tab that says bookmarks, and you can actually preset bookmarks to places that you want to go in Firefox. So I put a bookmark that says Google Drive. So now when I click on this, it takes me right to my Google Drive in Firefox. So as long as I've signed in previously and I'm signed into my Google account, and if not, it will prompt me to sign in, I will be able to see my Google Drive. All right, now hopefully because I told it to remember my login, I won't have to do that every single time, but you get the idea. And now, if you have to back out and go home, I'm already logged in, so I can go to my apps, bookmark, Google Drive, and my Google Drive will open right up.